Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as I told you all yesterday, I promised you all that I'm gonna show you about each foundation. So today we are gonna take up the Supra foundation. Foundation is basically for all the dry skin people. It is mineral oil based. It has TO2, which is SPF, and it also has vitamin E. So you can also use it in the winters for all the dry skin people. So it is very moisturizing as it is oil based. So let's start with the Supra foundation. So I've already moisturized my face using the Derma Color Moisturizer, and now my colleague will do the makeup on me. So we are first gonna start by priming my face, as I have a lot of open pores and my skin is sensitive. So we are gonna use the HD Micro Primer. It is from Trilyn. So let's start. So for Supra, for the concealing, we are using FS27. This is how the packaging looks like. This comes for about 800 and it is 8 ml. And this for the foundation shade, we are going to use FS45, and this is also for 800. So first we remove it in a palette and then we warm it up and then apply it on the face. So with a darker shade, we conceal the under eyes, the pimple marks, and with the lighter shade, we apply it on the whole face. This is how you remove the product from the container on the spatula and then on the palette. So when you warm up the product, it becomes easier for the product to sit on your skin. It will not look cakey. This is how the foundation should look like. It should be like as if you've not applied anything on your face. And most people, what they do with the Supra and Derma foundations is they directly remove it from the container and apply it on the face. They don't warm it up. That's why it sits very heavy on the skin and it looks cakey. So it's very important to remove it from the spatula on the surface and then warm it up and then apply it on the face. So this is a very important step which many people miss. So this is our blush that we are using now. It's a cream blush. The name of the blush is Dahlia. This is how the packaging looks like. So this is how the blush looks. It's very creamy, easy to blend, and it looks also very nice and natural. So on this, I'm gonna set my face with the TL2 powder. So this is a tester, but you will get so we get two sizes. So we have two sizes of TL powders. One is 15 grams and one is 50 grams. So the prices may vary as the amount of the TL powders is gonna increase. So I'm not gonna tell you the price of the product, but it comes in two sizes. It's 15 grams and 50 grams. So we are done with the base. Now I'll just apply my lipstick, eyebrows and be back. So it's been 5 hours and my makeup is as it is. So you all can see the durability, and as you all can see, the shine is the same. So for all the dry skin people, you can definitely go for the Supra. It's an affordable range. So if you did like the video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm gonna explain to you the other foundation ranges that we have in the next upcoming videos. Bye guys, see you until next time. So in Supra, we have 6 shade palette, we have 12 shade palette, and we also have the body painting colors that we have a palette for. This is also in the Supra range. So we have many shades, like this is the Ahmedabad palettes of different shades. So we have the Mumbai palette too, Jaipur palette, and you can check it on our website. The same goes for the 12 shades palette. You get a lot of variations. If you want lighter colors or darker colors, there are different palettes for it. And we have one more palette for the body painting. So this is one of the palette. The other palette you can check on the website. So in Supra, we have more than 30 shades available for each skin tone. And we have correctors too. So you can choose your shade. It's better if you come in the store and take a trial on your face before selecting your shade.